Hello everyone, thanks for watching CAD Learners. On today's tutorial we will discuss about the point style. So without wasting of time, let's get started. In order to start with point style, we need to draw some points by using multiple point placing tool. So go to Draw panel and click on this small arrow. From here you will get multiple point tool. Select that. Now let's place some points. So here I have placed some points, but it's not visible properly, because the point is too small. So in order to see that points, we need to change the point style. I will go to Utilities and select Point Style from here. Now you will get this window. Alternatively, you can type DDP type on command line. Let's type DDP type and enter. From this window you can select any point style as you need. Select one point style and click OK. Now you can see that the point style is applied. Now you can connect these points with line or polyline as per your requirement. Let's do one more example. I will select Line tool and draw a line. Now I will divide this line into 5 equal parts. I will type divide command. Now it's prompt me to select the object. I will select the line. Now it's prompt me to enter number of segments. I will give 5 for now and enter. Now the line is divided, but we cannot see the divided area. So here the point style will help us to see the divided parts of the line. I will type DDP type and press enter. From this window I will select one point style. Now click OK. So now you can see each divided portion of line. So this is all about point style. Hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you like my video, consider subscribing my channel. Until seeing you on next video. Bye.